Okay, good morning everyone. So in this class I am going to explain you the next topic, that is style groups is completed. Style groups, in that conditional formatting I already explained you. So in that the next one is, in that highlight cell rules. So I explained it in the last class. The first option, that is a conditional formatting and ಹೇಳಿನ್ರಿ. So in that conditional formatting, highlight cell groups, how to highlight the cells in a cell, how to highlight the cell in a spreadsheet. Excel sheet ಒಳಗ ಯಾವ ತರ cell ನಾವು highlight ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, which type of important, assume that your Excel is having a important data, then how to highlight that important data. Means highlight is very important. Why? Because which contains the many data. So in that you require a passing marks of the student. Assume that one list is there. So in that which that sheet containing the marks of the students. So some students are failure in some subject, some students are having got the highest marks. So ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು highlight ಮಾಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you are searching some important data, then which consumes a more time. Okay, 32 ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡಾರ, below 32 ಅಂದ್ರ ಫೇಲ್ ಅಂದಂಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿಲೋ 32 ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡಾರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹೈಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್, then you can easily identify. Okay, so like that that purpose we are using the highlight cell rules. So that is presented, this option is available in a conditional formatting options. Okay, now I am going to share the screen to you. Okay, if it is visible you can raise your hands. I can understand. It's visible to you. Okay, you can. It's visible. So in the last class I explained you the conditional formatting. The conditional formatting comes under a style groups. Means we can add the different types of features, functions, or styles, or we can highlight the particular cell. You can see here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೀನ್ರಿ. I explained this one. Okay, equal to, greater than, less than. Okay, if it is equal to, okay, if the number is equal to 32, that cells are highlighted na ಹೇಳಿನ್ರಿ last class ಒಳಗ. Already ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ aware ಅದಿರಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. So as you can see, this option is available here. This whole location, the many options are available here. That is comes under a style groups. Okay, this is one group, guys. The whole ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನ arrow ಇದು ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Okay, start point and end point. This is in one column, one full one the cell ಒಳಗ ಅದರಿ. This is whole options are available in a upper side. So these all the box ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ, style groups. So all the options are called as in a style groups. We can add the styles to the particular row, particular column, or a particular cell. Okay, now in the conditional formatting, so first one is a highlight cell rule. What is a highlight cell rule? So highlighting the cells which is important to us. Now you can see I am highlighting here based on our requirement. Based on my requirement I highlighted the some data here because to identify easily. Okay, idu last class ಒಳಗೆ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿನ್ರಿ how to add the importance to the cells, how to highlight the cells. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳಿನ್ರಿ. You can go through the video of the YouTube. Already I sent the link also. Those who are new here, newcomers ಯಾರು ಇದಿರಿ, you can go through the video. You can easily understand how to highlight the cell rule. So there are many sub options are available, you can add. So next one is a top bottom rule. Okay, so top bottom rule means here top 10 numbers ಯಾವ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, highlight ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ. Assume that I took two subject here, subject 1, subject 2. Okay, instead of subject 1, subject 2, you can take the name of the subjects. Maths. Next, science. Already you know how to add the ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದರಿ. ಬೋಲ್ಡ್, you can change Arial black ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋನು. You can change the font size as well as you can change the font colors also. If you want, then you can fill ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ. Okay, middle ತಗೊಂಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರ you can align center, align left. First class ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳಿನ್ರಿ ನಾ align right side you can ಅಂದ್ರ ಈ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನದಲ್ರಿ right side ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. If you want a middle or a center, you can press this one. If you want a left side, you can press this one. Text ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕ್ರಿ middle. Okay, next the values 54, next 23, next 46, 39, 83. Okay, the text also ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ, ಈ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಂಟರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡೀನ್ರಿ ನಾ. ಇದೇನು ಬಂದದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಏನಂದ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾ ಮಾಡೀನ್ರಿ. ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So here one table is available. Now I created one table that is subject marks. So mathematics subject marks, there are many marks are there, and science subject marks, score of the science subject, scoring marks. Now here one option is available, conditional formatting antadari. So in that how to highlight the cells you already know. Now in this second option, that is top or a bottom rules. Top or a bottom rules. So what is the top and bottom rules? Here there are a top 10. Top 10 means what? What do you mean by top 10? Top 10 means those students got the top 10 marks. Means 100 to estirtavri. What top 10 andra it may be a 84, 85, 96, 97 up to 100. Means you can compare the number. Nodri, in this column there is 100, 34, 56, 78, 32, 64, 90. So there are many marks are available here. So in that a top yavadavri, those numbers are top here. That is 100 is top, and second highest is 90, and third highest is 78. So idana highlight madudri. Adana highlight madaka we are using a conditional formatting here. As you can see, nanu idanashtu select ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. You need to select first this one. Okay, select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು go to the conditional formatting. Go to the conditional formatting option. Wait. You need to select this location where you want to apply the condition. So you need to select, I selected here, go to the conditional formatting option and top or a bottom rule. So in this top 10, first one is a top 10 option is available here. You can click on this top 10. Top 10 beko here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 numbers are available. In that how many top you want? 4, 3. Okay, I require only top 3 here. You can add the top 10. If the data is available more than 10 or more than 50, you can apply the 10 here. Only yakandre na ile enadavri only ili 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 data ashte adavri. Only 7 marks ashte adavri here. So ಆ 7 ಒಳಗ top 3 ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು ಅವನ್ನ highlight ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದಂಗ್ರಿ. Okay, so top 3. So format cell that rank in the top, only 3 select madinri. You can, if you want, then you can increase 4, 5, 6. Okay, ee tara irtade. Wait, before going to that, I am only in the math subject. In math subject only, okay, I selected only the maths column. So in the maths column, in the maths subject, conditional formatting, in that top bottom rules, top 10 items, only 7 items are available. So that's why I took the only 3 top numbers or a marks. Okay, 3 ಯಾವ marks ಅದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ top, ಅವು highlight ಆಗಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಹೆಂಗ್ highlight ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ the available here many options are available. That is light red fill with a dark red text or a yellow fill with the dark yellow text, green fill with the dark. Andra yav top 3 values adav nodri, ಆ top 3 values highlight ಆಗ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಹೆಂಗ್ highlight ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರ ಅದ್ರ ಕಲರ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಕಾಣತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್ 3 marks are 100, 78 and 90. So please Fayaz video stop ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. record agatadri, so that's why. In the math subject top 3, if you want a top 4, then once again you can select this one. Once again select and go to the conditional formatting option. Top bottom adari, in that first option, that is 10 adari. So that's why I want a 4 or a 5. 4 and now agle en tagondiri, I selected the third avagri. Now I selecting the 4 top marks of in the mathematics subject. Nodri top first one is a 100, 90, 78, 64. avagle 64 bandidilla yakandre na only 3 top numbers na select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೈತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Okay, go through the signs here. So same you can apply here. Okay, so this option is available. Next next andra you can select once again this one. Go to the conditional formatting top. So like that bottom adari. Bottom ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ opposite of the top. Now I selected ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ top 3 numbers ಗೆ highlight ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. Now bottom 3 numbers or a bottom 4 numbers you can highlight. Okay, bottom 10 item ಒಳಗ ಎಷ್ಟು highlight ಆಗಬೇಕು 3, 2. Fill that should be filled with the red ಕೊಡುನ್ರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ red ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡುನ್ರಿ. These are the very least marks. Okay, bhala least marks andra these are the bottom of the means totally 100 ಒಳಗ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ less marks ಯಾವದ ಅವತನ್ನ highlight ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. And bottom 3 andra you can go through the bottom 3 and top 3s. You can select a top 3 also by using these options. That should be filled with the green like this. ಉಳ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಏನದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವತನ್ನ ನೀವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, now many options are available here. top 10 ಅದನ್ನ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ. bottom 10 ನ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. above average and below average means above average below average means what? ನಮಗೆ average ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಅದ್ರ above ಯಾವ ಅದಾವು ಅವತನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಮಾಡ್ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. select this one first, ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. select this one, go to the option here, above average ಯಾವ್ದೈತಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಇಂದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. average marks, below average that should be filled with the green. red ಆಗೈತಿ, yellow ಮಾಡೋದು. So there are many options are available. ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು data bar. What is a data bar? First I will deselect this one. Deselect ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. You can select this all the datas whatever presented over here. You can select and go to the conditional formatting option. So in that data bars is available. So if you want any data bar you can select. If you want a blue, green, red, pink, blue and saffron. ಏನ್ರಿ ಹಿಂಗಂದ್ರ I selected here ಏನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ blue select ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. What is the meaning of this one? So why we are using a data chart here? Okay, which telling that ಇದು ಏನು ಹೇಳಾಕತೈತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ 100 marks is more, no? So that's why more color is applied here. 34 is less marks, so less color ಏನಾಗೈತ್ರಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗೈತಿ. 56 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ average ಐತಿ. So based on their number the color is applied here based on that number. ಏನಾಗೈತ್ರಿ ಕಲರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, that's why ಅಂದ್ರೆ this marks is greater, this is a highest mark, so that's why the marks is highlighted with the yellow with the blue color, but ಇದು 100 marks more ಅದ ಇಲ್ರಿ, so that's why more color is applied to the 100, so 34 is a less mark, so that's why less apply ಮಾಡೈತ್ರಿ ಏನು ಕಲರ್. so 32 compared to 32 and 34, 34 is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ and 32 is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅದ ರೀ. means according to their values the color is applied. okay, why the data charts are used, data bars ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತ್ರಿ? so many options are, many colors are available here. you can add the pink also, you can add the wait 1 second. okay guys, it's visible? okay, getting or not how to add the bar data bars? means we are adding the bars to the data, whatever the data is presented over here, so according to their data the color is applied to each and every data. as you can see 67 is more than 56, so that's fine. according to their 12 is less number, 12 is a less number or a less marks in a science, so that's why only the some amount of color is applied to the 12 marks. okay, next data bars color scale, you can add the colors. wait, first I will control Z ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. why the data bars are used? getting or not data bars ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ? ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳೇನ್ರಿ ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತ್ರಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟಾಸ್. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಅಂದ್ರ ಇದು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರ ವಿಚ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟಿಂಗ್, ಇದು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಾತದ್ರಿ. ಏನ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಾತದ್ರಿ? ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ 67 is a comparing to the 12, this is a highest mark, so that's why highest percent of color is applied for the 67. so 100 is a highest, full 100% adari 100% adadu, so adಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗೈತ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಕಲರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ. 34 is ಏನದ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅದರಿ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದ ಕಲರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅದು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಾತದ್ರಿ. ಏನ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್? ದಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್, ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಾತದ್ರಿ? ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಯಾರು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಾತಾರ್ರಿ? ಕಲರ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾರ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಲರ್. ಹಾ, ಕಲರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ದ ಕಲರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೈ ಅದರಿ, ಬಹಳ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅದರಿ. okay, you can easily understand that the number value is also highest, so that's purpose the color is highest amount of color is filled with the cell ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. I hope you will understood the what is a data bars, why the data bars are required. okay, now so ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ? go to the conditional formatting. after the data bars, color scale. what is a color scale? means you can add the colors. ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಕಲರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಡ್ ದಿ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ, ಏನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ? ಐ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಕಲರ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾಕು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬಂದವ್ರ ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ ಅದಕ್ಕ ಗಡದ ಕಲರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ highlighted color, the most highlighted color is red here. means dark pink, so that is highlighting here. 100 is 100%, 100 is the highest value, so that's purpose the 100 ಗೆ ಏನಾಗೈತ್ರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಾಕತ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 90 and 83 ಇದು 83 ಮೊದಲೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ನಾವು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಾಣೋದು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ 100 the next highest marks are 90, 83. ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 90 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 80 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಡದ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ. ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 78 is the next highest number. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲರ್ ಡಲ್ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಡಲ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ. means these colors are indicating the values of the numbers. The value of the number is highest or it is lower or higher. ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದು why color now only color are not used for the attraction purpose. The colors are using here why? Because to indicate the values of the numbers. Okay, adradu priority ಹೇಳಾತದ್ರಿ. The priority of the 100 is highest, so that's why the highest color highlight ಮಾಡಾತದ್ರಿ 100. After that the second highest marks is 90. So comparing to the 100, this is color is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ dim adari, but comparing to the 78 and 83, the color is more highlighted. Okay, so that's purpose. Nodri after that 60, 76 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 67, 54, 64 ಇವ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ತಿಳಿಲಾತದ ನಾ ಹೇಳಾತಿದ್ದು why the colors are added here. So these colors ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತದಂದ್ರ they are highlighting the values. Okay, values na highlight ಮಾಡಾತದ ಅಂದಂಗ್ರಿ. Now next option, color size icon sets. You can apply the icons to the values. Means these icons tell the values are having a more preference or a less preference. Means the values of the number is more or a high. Okay, you can select this one, green. Nee green select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. You can see here 100 is a mal hontadri, means this is a highest value in the maths subject, and the 34 is very lowest marks in the maths subject. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದಿಲ್ರಿ? ಎರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಹೋಗಾತದಂದ್ರ the meaning of that arrow is ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಹೋಗಾತದ. if suppose the arrow ಅದ್ರದ ಫೇಸ್ ಏನಾರ ಕೆಳಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರ this is a lowest marks ಅನ್ನೋದು. So this kind of icons are used to indicate the position, the current situation of the numbers or a data. As you can see 100 is present over here. So 100 is the highest marks in the math. So that's why idu ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಹೊಂಟದ್ರಿ symbol. So 34 is a very lowest marks. 32 is also very lowest marks. So that's why adukka ಏನ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ icon middle, sorry ಅದ್ರ ಫೇಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಆಗದ್ರಿ ಕೆಳಗ ಆಗೈತಿ. Next 56 is the average. Okay, it's high nu illa low nu illa, so that's why adu ee tara symbol ee kade ತೋರ್ಸಾತದೆ. 78 is also one of the highest marks, so that's why ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಹೊಂಟದ್ರಿ ಅದು. 64 is also middle. 90 is also highest mark, so that's why the icon is set as a upper side. Getting or not, guys? Raise your hands if you are not. If getting or not, raise your hands. Getting or not? Only Supriya, Guru, Rani, Renuka. Getting or not? Why? Because we are indicating the values of the data. Data value ಏನದ? It's a priorities of the values on board. Okay. Okay. Only 5 students got the today's topic. Whatever I'm explaining. ಇವತ್ತಿನ topic ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. Only 5 students. Others? Totally, how many are there? Okay. Okay. Leave it. Leave it. Next options are available here. Conditional formatting, icon sets and other rules are there. Adu adavri na bhal adav adu adana bit. Next format table. Okay, na idna like next option is format as a table. What is a format as a table here? You can click here the format. Many format of the table is available here. Format means what? Format and entry, whatever the data is there, you need to apply the format. You need to apply the structure for that data. Okay, assume that chocolate adari. Chocolate and kulla kodtare endri niಮಗೆ. So ಆ chocolate they wrap with a wrapper. Wrapper ಇರ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಂದು. Wrapper ಜೊತೆನೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Dairy Milk chocolate, or any other kind of a chocolates are there. So that chocolates are wrapped with a wrapper. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಆ ಡೇಟಾನ ಒಂದು wrapper ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಟ್ಟಾರಿ. So like that you can see here one table is available here. Actually this is one of the table. Mathematics and science, there are two columns are there. So which is not containing any format. You need to apply the table for this. You need to apply the format for this table. Format as a table you can note. You can apply any of the format here. What is the data for you table? Make here adu kelatadri question kelatad. ಏನು question kelatad? My table has a header. Yes, of course my table has a header. Yes, of course. The mathematics and science is available now here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ maths and science two types of headers are there. ಅದಾವು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಾತ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ರಿ header ಅಂದ್ರ you can deselect this one. If you want a header then you can select this one. Okay ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Table ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಕಾಣಕತ್ತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Yes, table is created now. If you want the different types of a table, you can select and go through the bahal options idavri ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Table styles ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Many options are available. You can apply your own also. Okay, na select ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಕಾಣಕತ್ತ. This is called as a format as table. Conditional formatting ಒಳಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮುಗ್ದುರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿನಿ. Table format table ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ರಿ just you can add the format to the table ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Next insert. Oh my god, running out of time. Running out of time ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು. Only 10 minutes is left now. So ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Insert, delete, format. So what is the insert? These are the cell option. This is the cell group guys. Okay, this is one of the group. In this group there are three types of options. Sub options are available. So insert, delete, format. So what is the insert option here? Insert option ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can insert the cells, rows and columns in a sheet. ಈ sheet ಒಳಗ many rows and many columns and many sheets if you want, then you can be add. Insert means add ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ. So ನೋಡನ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ sub options ಏನೇನದ. As you can see, insert cell, insert sheet row, insert sheet column, insert sheet. So first one is the insert cell. Assume that here I created one table. So if you want another one cell here, okay, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದಾರ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. You forget that adding the another number here. One student do number add ಮಾಡೋದು ನೆನಪು ಹಾರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರ that is in the 6th position. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. Then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, you need to create the one cell here. So that's why you can select this one. Select ಮಾಡಿ directly go to the insert option. In that insert cell. ನೋಡ್ರಿ one cell is inserted now. So you can add the values here. Now 35. Insert cell means these are the cell guys. Na ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, these are the cell. If you want a extra cells, you can insert with the help of insert option. Okay. Next, another option, insert cell, insert sheet row. Cell ಒಂದೇ ಯಾವ ತರ add ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತದ. If you want to add the full entire row, you can add ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So where you want to add the row? In this position. Okay, you need to select. Then go to the insert option. In that insert sheet row. Full one row ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ insert ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, now next option is insert sheet column. If you want to add a column here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು extra column add ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. Okay, if you want to add the extra column here, you can select this one. Go to the insert option. In that the sub option insert sheet column is available. You can click here. Node. So in this position ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ರಿ extra column ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. So extra column is created here. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಗೂ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. Okay, so ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ insert sheet column, insert sheet. How to insert a sheet? Na hang ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, if you want another sheet, so there are many sheets are available. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, ಕೆಳಗ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet 6, sheet 7. Okay, now I am in the sheet 5th. So if you want to increase the sheets, na ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಿ, you can just click on this option guys. As you can see, insert worksheet. If you want a extra sheet, you can double click on this. Otherwise ಏನದರಿ, you can insert here also. Insert sheet means another one sheet is created, that is sheet 9. Okay, this is the insert option. There are 4 to 5 options are available. How to insert the cell, how to insert the rows, and how to insert the sheet columns, as well as how to insert the entire sheet in the Excel. Next, delete. Delete means not removing the contents, removing the cell, removing the column, and removing the sheet here. Delete cell. If you want to delete the cell, actually this cell is empty now. Okay, if you want to delete this cell, directly go to the delete option and delete cell is available. Nodri, ಆ cell delete ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ. Nodri, ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Actually this is empty cell. Why we require an empty cell? Instead of keeping the empty cell, you need to delete this one. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು directly go to the delete option. Delete cell means that cell is deleted now. ಅಂದ್ರೆ delete ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತ್ರಿ cell. Next, delete sheet row. If you want to, ಇದು delete ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು sheet. ಈ sheet ಒಳಗಿಂದ row delete ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ you need to select this row and go to the delete option. In that delete sheet row option is available. You can double click on this. Click ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, the row is deleted. Next, delete sheet row, delete sheet columns. If you want to add, actually this is column is empty adri and useless column. So if you want to delete this kind of a column, go to the delete option here, and one option is available, that is delete sheet column. Double click on that, the column is deleted. Okay, now another last option, delete sheet. Delete sheet means how to increase the sheet numbers, how to increase a sheet and ತೋರಿಸ್ದೇರಿ. If you want to delete the sheet, ನೀ sheet delete ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ this is sheet 9 is, where is sheet 9? As you can see, sheet 9 open ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. This is full empty, so useless sheet adari. If you want to delete this sheet 9, which sheet you want to delete, you need to open that one and go to the delete option here. Delete sheet ನೋಡ್ರಿ, sheet 9 ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. delete 9 sheet delete ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತ್ರಿ. And sheet 8 is also available. This is a empty, it is not usable now, so that's why it use the light, it's not used. So go to the delete option, delete sheet. Sheet 8 is also deleted. Getting or not? Any doubts? Format idina next class ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Wait, timing only 3 minutes left. Any doubts you can ask me. Any doubts guys? Getting or not whatever I'm explaining here? Any doubts? Okay guys, if you have any doubt, you can ask me without hesitation. And next class I come up with the next options, whatever the available in an Excel sheet, how to increase the size and height and the length of the each cell. Okay, ಅದರ height ಯಾವ ತರ increase ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ next class ಒಳಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, now this is the end of your class. Okay guys, thank you all of you. Bye all of you.